Hi guys, it's Lily, and today I'm going to be showing you my fidget collection. So here's my fidget collection. I have 110 fidgets, I'm pretty sure. Well, we're going to have to go past that. I don't know how much we have. Well, let's just check. Yeah. Well, first we're going to start with a pop tube. Okay, it's so long, actually though, I could make it count. Wait, it's longer than the screen. Now we can do this with it, and then we'll go like this. Yep. It's back and now it's off. Okay. Next fidget. So I don't know if you guys would count bouncy balls as fidgets, but I have this one. Super cool. Wait. Sorry. Okay. Toss. Okay. Next one. Okay, here. This one is so cool. Close up. Where's the spot where it's all blue? It's kind of all blue, but yeah. It's got like little purples in it. Okay, here we go. So this one is like one of my favorites. So it's ready. It's a rainbow. No, it's not. Rainbow. No, it's not. Never mind, kind of is. Well, anyways. So pretty. Then we have this one. So squishy, right? That is so cool. Next one is this unicorn one. I also have this one. So this is the dinosaur one. Wait, which one sounds better, guys? Also organizing my fidgets, so let's get the first drawer. Why are you here again? Okay, I lost it. It's gonna be somewhere. I don't know. Okay, and then we have this one. And we have that so far. Put it over there. Actually, now, take these out because I think I want to put these. Do you have all in you? No, you have those thingies. So you go in there. And then all the ones with all these go in here. They all got all these, so yep. And why did I put you back? You're supposed to go on there too. Oh yes, this one too. Look at it, it's so cool. Stayed up. Yeah, that one goes in there because. And then we have this one. It stretches real nice. And it. Oh wait, I should. But what color did you think it was? Comment down below, guys. This instead. This is so nice. So that is that. Okay. Next one. It's comic. I don't know how to say this, but I got it from a place and it's called Farmers. So, yep, we're gonna put in there. Okay. Oh, we got this. Let me just do it to the good side. And then I'll do some ASMR. Okay, that's the ASMR. Well, now we're going to put it in this drawer. And we also got this one. Yep, it's on the other side. Okay, there we go. Don't need much because it's dry. And now we have one of these dimples. Simple dimples. That's it. It's so pretty. Oh! It fell in the same thing anyways. Okay. So yes. This one too. Hey, did you guys see it? My cat area. Oh my god, that's so cool. Another one. This one sounds way better. Ugh, it's so hard to pop. Put that in there. Now I'll move on to the poppets and also my one. I should do a separate drawer for mini ones. So these are the mini ones. Oops. There we go. Find another one. We also got this. Okay. We also got this one. Pop it in. And we've got this one. That's so cool. Another mini one. Wait, I'm gonna do something. Okay. That was just weird. Oh, we have this one. So pretty. We got another one. It's not tiny that time. We have this the squishy one. That was funny. Now I'm gonna get all the squishies I can get. So this is gonna be interesting to find how many I have in 5 seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm maybe not find all of them, but here they are. Okay. So I'm gonna show. So I got this one. It has yes. Oh, there you go. Yes. What? Oh, there. Yeah, just don't want this one. And then we got these two. This one has a broken ear, sadly. Oh, this one too. Okay. Nothing else? 1. Okay, I'm gonna get to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, guys, this is all of it. Okay, we have this one. Where is it? Wait, no, not there. I'm gonna put it in this one. This is probably more food. Time for little more cheese. Okay. I have like the tiniest one for it. These ones here. I have this bag for them. Oh! One goes in here. This is my newest one. Then we have this one, a pig. Good. Then we have, what is this? I actually don't know what this is, but it's cute. The donut one. I love the donut one. Never mind, guys. Okay, I feel like I'm still at these. We'll find this later. And a monkey noodle. Now we have all of these ones to do. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh man. Okay, well, anyways. Yellow, I think, after lead. And then maybe blue and green. And this one has to be for some reason. Wait, there's another one, guys. To make it 7, but it's tiny and it's the same as one. But that's okay, that's still cool. I have 7. I'm gonna get all the simple jingles I can. 10 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I actually think I found all of them. And I also looking, I found a puppet. Oops. Wait, why am I putting it in here? Okay, sorry. Weird. I have developed, so yep. Well, we're gonna put them in here anyways, and then we have this one. Here's an actual showing. Ready, guys? Yep. So that can there. Now the bowls. Bowls. Bowls can have their own choice. For your okay, and we also got this one. Oh no! Okay, that's my bag. Whatever. Actually, no. Okay, they're just gonna have to shield someone else. These are like skull. Oh my gosh. Then we have this one, 2. Yep. These are gonna have to shoot 2. There's so many. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them. Another pop tube. And then we have putty slime. Okay. And then we have these and these and these. So